yeah. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. I haven't hit it already, still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I keep talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you ain't nothing, got this bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, and I'm gone, it's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
yeah. I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Dark, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm toxic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, so we act, think I'm black, drop his act. While I'm rap, not the step, throwing jab, give a crap. Ripping bands up the man, got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rob till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I can cry. Get the time that I'm fight, yeah.
I've been in and out the studio, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One, whoa, here I go. All these people want to know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy. Lately, everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real time, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro.